Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have the Decentraland Mana daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, where we're going, what do we need to break out and go even higher. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription, buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits with an automated and a manual system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins, but it doesn't stop there. You will also get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates. You will also get random giveaways and of course Pine scripts for trading you. 200 altcoins, you will take easy profits with them, and of course you can join also our Telegram group chat. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Let's proceed quickly into the Mana, the Central Mana USDT chart right here. We are on the 4-hour frame. We are now in a zone where we have a very high resistance level. Okay, based on the fact that we have the 1.39, 1.59 around this area, it is a great resistance level area. You can see why we have back then the Decentraland Mana on the 17 April, on 28 April, and so on, getting so close to go even higher, but found a great rejection right there, and we went all the way down. So we assume right now that we need to get even higher from these three lines right here that we have. Okay, so I'm going to put the three lines, the higher resistance levels right there that we have, and the price labels 1.52, 1.56, and 1.59 around there. Tether USD. Let's go a little bit to the MACD. On the MACD right here, you will see that we have gone absolutely crazy. You can see that from the time we have the bullish cross, we have the blue line above the signal line, and we're going even higher. What we need right now is to keep this impulsive wave on, and if we are about to have a bearish cross, not to get all the way down. We need just to have a bearish cross and then go back up again. Okay, this will mean that it will be the best actually for the Decentraland Mana. Let's go to Mana USDT on the 4-hour frame on the risk metrics, and right now you can see that we hold a very high risk. Okay, we have a very high risk. You can see here that the cat right there is smiling because this risk right there is good. Of course, we have a very high risk, but however, we can maybe get an impulsive wave run on the 4-hour frame and therefore have this RSI pattern, the wave pattern as I call it, on the bullish impulsive waves. Okay, we need to have the wave pattern right here to get even higher. We can do it. It seems like it is somehow very strong right here. Okay, but we have a very high risk. You need to be careful because of that. Let's go to the common channel index. Same as well, we have a very high risk, although as you can see, the best part is that we are getting a little bit bearish, then bullish, then bearish. This lets the risk gets a little bit down and we go upwards. This is very good and fantastic stuff from the Decentraland Mana. Okay, let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we have a very high risk right here as well. We have the RSI being above the 82 for now. Okay, so yes, we hold a very high risk. Same for the commodity channel index here, that it is already going downwards even though the price remains good. Okay, we have to see how this candlestick pattern will close. If it closes like a doji star, then this might be bad. Okay, because we might get a little bit of an evening star pattern right here and we go further down with a big bearish candlestick right next to here. Okay, but if we do not get it, it will be very good. According to the SSL hybrid, we do not yet hold a selling opportunity, so everything is pretty fine. Let's go to Mana Bitcoin chart right here on the 4-hour frame. You can see that we hold a significant high risk right there, and that's the reason we might be going a little bit downwards. At the same time, 20-day EMA is so far ahead, actually so far beyond of the price. Okay, so what happens is that we need to let the 20-day EMA reach the price. Sometimes we need to let the 20-day EMX potential moving average reach the price for Mana Bitcoin chart. Okay, and so you can see that the RSI right here, the commodity channel index are going a little bit further down, but at the same time we have a very high risk. Let's go to Mana Bitcoin chart on the daily frame, and on the daily frame you can see that if you draw the fib from this top right here down to this bottom, we have this price target right there, 0.402460 8. Okay, so we have a very high risk around this area. We almost touched this, you can see here, and we need to see how this big bullish candlestick will close, if it is bullish or not. However, though, I like that for mana, for example, we do not have this consolidation so quickly like Aave, for example. Okay, I like the way that mana is going upwards, mana against Bitcoin chart, and we are going now to mana USDT. You can see here on the daily frame, we are on the daily frame now, and on the price analysis you can see here that you can see it better actually where are we going and which target we have. Here we wrote the 0.786 exactly, we found as a support level. Now we have closed above, it seems. We will see about that though, the daily frame, when we will close this and in which candlestick pattern. Okay, but the 1.39 is a very strong support level for the time being. That is good, but we have a very high resistance between these lines I mentioned before. Okay, and especially for the daily frame in this area right here, you can see why we had so much resistance levels, so many resistance levels back in the days around May and April. So yes, we might be going a little bit downwards. That's why we found huge sell pressure right here. But in case we surpass this, all you have to think of is the 1.95 to 1.97. So I'm going to draw a line right here and a rectangle, and this is the next price target right there for Decentraland mana. Yes, we can go even to the 1.95, 1.97. We have one more lower a little bit, but that I think we will break it easily. We will see about that though, but I don't believe that we will stay on the 1.76. However, on the 1.76 we have a very strong resistance level as well, and you should be having this line right here, the 1.76 right there. So I am going to draw another line right here, and you should be knowing this resistance level as well. So the next price target 1.76, and in this area 1.95, 1.98. Okay, yes, we have this risk right there, we have this pattern, we have these targets for mana. Right now we are having a sell pressure due to the fact that Bitcoin is also correcting, and it doesn't help mana of course, but at the same time it was a great rejection area. Although, however, it seems like mana is very strong. We have a very high risk though. Always pay attention to the risk. You do not want to get in when we have a very high risk, and especially when on the daily frame we are battling to get even higher. Right here we might get a dodgy star as I talked about before, but anyway, pay attention. If we break the 1 point around there 51 to 57, we can go to the next price targets, which are the 1.76, 1.95, 1.98. And of course, before we close the video, do not forget to join the monthly subscription Buy Me a Coffee /MindYourCrypto. Link in the description and in the comment section. Join us and you will get easy profits. You will prepare yourself for this bull run with 200 altcoins. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.